Hi, my name is Alon Ascher. I'm the Chief Business Officer for Bluewhite. And behind me, you see our T4 autonomous tractor. Bluewhite provide an aftermarket kit that can be installed on existing tractors from different brands. And we partner with CNH, Case New Holland, in order to implement this technology in across their customer base and dealership channel. The problem that we're trying to solve here is really the challenges in food production. Currently, especially in the orchards and vineyards, there's big challenges around the labor scarcity and production cost. Not enough drivers. It's really hard to get good quality across so many hours to work and year-round operations, and the cost of the chemicals and protective equipment, etc., is only rising. So we offered an alternative or a solution to ease these challenges, where one operator can operate multiple of those tractors remotely and don't need to sit in the heat and the dust near to the chemicals for so many hours. And eventually it can cause also to fatigue, and there's a safety concern about operating those machines for so long in rough environments. So the ability to basically remotely manage and communicate and control a fleet with lower fatigue and higher efficiency, also to enable data visibility to see everything that's going on in the field, it's very important and very valuable for the customers. What's unique about our solution is those tractors are very basic. They're very mechanical. There's almost no technology integration. So we had to build a solution, an autonomous stack from the ground up. It starts with mechanical controlling the vehicle, pressing the lever, moving the wheels, going to sensors that analyze and see the surroundings, both LiDAR, a laser sensor, and cameras, embedded with GPS and INS, inertial units that understand basically the surround around it. Computers to take decisions in real time, take all this data, analyze in real time what to do, to imitate a driver, what a driver would do. How fast, is it an obstacle or not? How should I take the turn? How should I activate the implement behind me, the sprayer, to trigger when to start, when to stop, etc. And also communication package that provides this communication through cellular network to the cloud to share this data and have the ability to remotely control. So we provide this whole stack from the ground up. Again, one operator can operate multiple vehicles, and it's used for multiple tasks. Spraying, foliar spraying, herbicide spraying, mowing and disking, tillage work, spreading, etc., for the orchard and vineyard space. Currently, we're operational in commercially running in multiple farms and multiple crops, nuts, fruits, citrus, vineyards, etc., in the West Coast. And now with the partnership with CNH, we're starting to implement this into the New Holland dealership channel, first working with a selective few and take our processes and make it simpler for a dealer and for our growers so they can leverage this technology on their own with less and less support and higher utilization rate. And as this become more and more successful, to expand it across the fleet to multiple regions in North America and globally. So here in the front we have our safety bumper. It's kind of like our mechanical last safety layer of the system. Here you have both a LiDAR, a laser sensor, 3D laser sensor, and the front camera that basically see all the surrounding in the front see that the path is clear, lane detection, obstacle detection, see different obstacles, classify them, is it a person, is it a tree, etc. Also, we're using this information from the LiDAR to accurately activate the sprayer. So for example, when the start of the rows, where it starts, where it ends, if there's a missing tree or big gaps, we can shut off and turn on the sprayer, and also assist with having a much better precise results and reducing inputs. Here in front, we have additional sensors here on the axles, and mainly in the cab, you can see our steering module, our mechanical actuation here on the brakes, our main compute unit that have all the electronics and the compute that take all these decisions in real time. And in the back, we have our communication module with cellular and GPS, where we can communicate with our cloud software, and some additional cameras for situational awareness and ability for the operator to take a snapshot and see what's going on in the front, in the back, etc. Currently, we focus on the orchards, vineyard, and specialty crops. And I definitely see this growing into the vegetables, the livestock, the dairy, that use a similar type of product lines, similar type of tractors. But definitely this technology can be implemented and integrated also in a row crops application. Part of our unique algorithms and unique navigation are built specifically for the orchards and vineyard space, where you have a lot of places without GPS, cellular, and RTK availability. So how you navigate in this GPS denied environment, like driving in a tunnel. If you look at a big orchard, almond orchard, for example. So it's built specifically for those use cases, but can be implemented in other fields as well. So we did start to work individually with a couple of dealers in the West Coast, New Holland and John Deere dealership, but really here working, collaborating, and partnering with the OEM give a much broader opportunity. First, to do a better integration to the product. Better integration means better performance, faster deployment time at more competitive cost, and also collaborating on the commercial front, working really closely with the dealer and the New Holland folks that assist on the training, on the implementation, using also lessons learned from other products on how to basically bring this digital and autonomous revolution for agriculture. This is very new for everyone. So definitely better to collaborate, and we're very happy on this partnership with New Holland. They have amazing team, both in the headquarters and working in the fields, that really looking forward on how to bring these amazing technologies to every grower, starting with the West Coast, but then looking at a broader scale.